Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating UML diagrams from Java code can enhance your project by providing visual representations of the system architecture, class relationships, and more. intellij IDEA has built-in support to help you generate UML diagrams from your Java classes. ## step-by-step tutorial, generating UML diagrams in intellij IDEA. ## prerequisites. intellij IDEA, make sure you have intellij IDEA installed. The Community Edition should suffice for basic UML functionalities, but some advanced features may require the Ultimate Edition. Java Development Kit, JDK, ensure you have JDK installed and configured in your intellij project. ## Step 1, create a Java project. 1. Open intellij IDEA. 2. Create a new project. Click on File New Project. Select Java and click Next. Specify the project name and location, then click Finish. ## Step 2, write some Java code. Let's create a simple Java application with a few classes. 1. Create a package. Right-click on src New Package. Name it comexample.uml. 2. Create classes. Right-click on the package comexample.uml New Java class. Create the following classes: person, student, and course. ## example code. ## Step 3, generate UML diagram. 1. Open the project structure. In the project view, navigate to the package comexample.uml. 2. Select classes to include in the diagram. Hold Ctrl or CMD on Mac OS, and click on the classes person, student, and course to select them. 3. Generate UML diagram. Right-click on one of the selected classes. Go to Diagrams, Show Diagram. A UML diagram will be generated showing the relationships among the person, student, and course classes. ## Step 4, exploring the UML diagram. Navigate the diagram, you can zoom in /out, pan around, and click on classes to see their details. Export the diagram. If you need to share the diagram, you can export it as an image or in other formats. Click on the export diagram icon or right-click on the diagram and choose export. ## Step 5, modifying the diagram. You can add more classes, interfaces, and relationships in your Java code, and then refresh the UML diagram to see the updates. You can also manually add UML elements in the diagram for better visual representation. ## Conclusion. Using intellij IDEA to generate UML diagrams from Java code is straightforward and can significantly aid in understanding and documenting your software architecture. By following this tutorial, you should now be able to create a simple Java application and visualize its structure using UML diagrams. Feel free to expand on this by adding more complex relationships or additional features to your UML diagrams as you become more familiar with the tool.